Dear students, we are going to discuss the different types of forests in the world, not in Indian. Indian again it is different division with a different name. So we are going to discuss the world, the different types of forest. First one, it is the equatorial moist evergreen or rainforest, what we have seen in Amazon area, like that. That is coming from the 10 degree north to 10 degree south, what we have studied in the Amazon region. So it is given in the picture, we can see that one. It is coming the it is coming here in the equatorial area, both side of equatorial area. Then examples that South American Amazonia basin, then equatorial African forest, then Asian forest, like that. So it is going. Then the climate type of that one, rainfall, temperature, relative humidity, characteristics of the vegetation, like that things already we discussed were in the textbook. Then different types of trees, all these things you can see. Next type, it is the tropical deciduous forest. The location, the tropical monsoon regions where rainfall is seasonal and a definite dry season exists. This deciduous and semi-evergreen forests are prevalent. Unlike the equatorial region, have here variations of the trees in different regions are much more. So according to the area wise, the trees also it is varies. Then this type of vegetation occurs in India, Myanmar, that is Burma, Indonesia, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, South China, Philippines, etc. That next one, it is northern Australia. Then margins of the tropical rainforest in Africa, Central South America. These are the areas we are having, seeing which type of forest, that is the tropical deciduous forest. In India it is included. Okay, then comes the climate and other things, you can read it. If you want, I will send this link also, you can read it, extra reading. Then comes the Mediterranean forest. The next type, it is Mediterranean forest, that is coming 35 degree to 45 degree north, 35 degree to 45 degree north and south. It is out of the equatorial, in both side of the equatorial area it is coming 35 to 45 degree. And we have seen our Indian forest, the Amazon, Ganga Brahmaputra basin, it is coming up to 30 degree, and above that what type of forest it is coming, it is known as the Mediterranean forest. Then it is a peculiar climofloral development found in this several. In this area we can see different types of this, vegetation and the animals and even climate also. Then where we are seeing this one, we are seeing that one in the adjacent regions of the Mediterranean coast, extending east to west over 2500 kilometers, covering countries like Portugal, Spain, France, Italy, Albania, Greece, Turkey, etc. Then California in USA and of North America, then central Chile of South America, then south and east and southern part of Australia, Cape region of South Africa regions we are having, and nearly 80 million hectare of land it is coming in this climate. Then temperature and other things we can see, you can read it. Only different types of forests we are just discussing. It is a long topic. The next one, fourth one, is it is temperate, broad leveled, leaved, deciduous and mixed forest. So in this many things are included. Temperate, broad is there, then broad leaves, big leaves are we can see in the trees, like that deciduous forest. So because of the width of the broadness of the leaves, they are shedding their leaves in particular season, and with that we are going to see mixed forest also. Location, it is in the eastern side of the continent in warm temperate region. This forest is located South China, South Japan, South Africa, Southeast Australia and South Brazil. In this area we have seen this one. Temperature is only 10 degree. Then due to heavy rainfall evenly distributed throughout the year, trees are evergreen, broad leaves and hardwood types also. So next one, warm, temperate, broad leaved deciduous forest. First one we have seen temperate broadleaf deciduous forest with mixed forest. Then fifth type, warm temperate broadleaf deciduous forest. There is no mixing that one. Then characteristics, trees shed their leaves during spring season. Here it is coming the starting of the in October, that time it is coming, and no layers in the leaves. There is no means the Amazon forest we have seen 3-4 layers, like that no layers, here only one. And the major species like that beech, maple, walnut, like that trees are growing. Then sixth type, coniferous forest. This that is coming, the height is the problem. 50 degree to 70 degree latitude. This forest extends through Europe, Asia and North America in northern hemisphere, and Chile, Argentina and New Zealand in the southern hemisphere. So very few area we can see the above 50 degree from the equator, above 50 degree it is in that area it is coming. So in Asia also we can see, and we are having that one because of the heighted mountains of the Himalaya. We can see this coniferous forest here in India also. These are the 6 major types according to the world, and in the next we will see according to India what are the different types of forests. Let us watch. Let us see different types of forest. First one, it is tropical evergreen forest with a dark green color. It is given in the map. You can see this one. The next one is a tropical deciduous forest, that is given little bit light shade. It is given. Next one, it is mangrove forest. Montane forest, that it is given little bit poppet green color. You can see here in the Himalayan region or Sikkim and parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Then mangrove forest we can see parts of West Bengal, then Orissa, like that. Then the tropical thorn forest that we can see in the parts of Deccan Plateau and here in Gujarat and Rajasthan, parts of Madhya Pradesh, then Punjab, Haryana area we can see. These are the 5 major types of forest here in India. And if we are taking a detailed study of this one, we can see 12 different types of forests, and each one having this tropical evergreen forest again divided into 4. Then deciduous forest again dividing, means according to the nature of the tree and other things we are making the divisions. So in this one, this mountain means the forest related vegetation, again it is divided into 3 types. When we are taking only Himalayan hills itself, we can see 3 to 4 different types of forests in Himalaya itself. So according to that, if you are studying detailed way, you can see 11 details of that types of forest. So I will send the link. Those who are interested, you can read. And this is the major types what we need according to 6th and 7th standard. These 5 types enough. So you can study these 5 types names. Then in next worksheet or activity we may do with related to this forest. So you can keep this diagram with you people, and I will send the link, and you can go through the link details. In this link itself you will get the details. So we are stopping here. Then I will send the question answer link. You can write that question answer to your notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.